Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show everyone the particular tool that is actually used for clipping of boundary line, just like what you can see on the screen. So this is contour surface, and it was generated with the spot height that you can actually see on the screen. And I have a boundary line that is observed directly by me on site, and the Civil 3D can actually eventually delineate boundary line, but it will not be as accurate as the data you observe on field. So how to clip out this particular outer surfaces, that is the contour lines that exceed the exact perimeter of your project site, is what this video is all about. So you can actually use the trim, but the trim will not work within the AutoCAD Civil 3D in as much you automated the contour surface with the built-in tool within the AutoCAD Civil 3D. The trim or S-trim can only work if only you import the contour surface from other subsidiary apps. So that is just it. So this is just the beauty of the AutoCAD Civil 3D built-in tool. So you can see that this contour surface has been clipped directly. Alright, so I'm just going to show you what I did initially for the setup before I got to that stage. So I'm just going to delete the perimeter surface, and you can see just the original spot elevations and the contour surface with the delineated automated boundary line by the AutoCAD Civil 3D. However, I have the exact boundary perimeter here, so I will select it, right click, come to clipboard, copy, then come to the contour surface generated within the AutoCAD Civil 3D work environment. I'm going to right click, come to clipboard, then paste to original coordinates. So this is the exact perimeter. Okay, so if you don't know how to generate contour surface within the AutoCAD Civil 3D workspace directly, check under the comment section or the video description to see how to achieve that from A to Z. Thank you. So this is the perimeter line, and this is the contour surface that has exceed the property. All right, so if I use the trim tool here, you'll find out that it is not going to work. All right, so you can see it is just going to delete all of the surface, and that is really wrong. All right, even if you use the S trim and option, it is still not going to work. All right, so that is just the idea. It's not going to work out for you. So the right tool to use is within the AutoCAD Civil 3D workspace. It's very easy to use. So you select the automated surface, that is the contour surface. When you select the contour surface, you will see all these tools activated. You will come to the add data drop down there, then you click on boundaries. All right, so under the add boundaries, you just give it a name. So I'm going to give this outer. You can give it any name. Then this type, click on the drop down, you will see other functions. All right, therefore in my subsequent video I will show you what other options functions are. All right, but in the course of this video is the outer we are going to be using. All right, so if this non-destructive break line is not checked, you check that. This mid ordinate distance, you leave it at default. All right, and you click on OK. So after you do that settings there, all right, you now select the surface, the boundary of the contour surface delineated by AutoCAD Civil 3D. Then you select the exact accurate boundary perimeter according to what you have actually delineated. You select that, and automatically you are going to see the contour surface clipped to the exact perimeter that you have actually delineated. Then you click on escape to exit the command. So guys, you can see it is done perfectly and accurately. So this is how to clip contour surface within the AutoCAD Civil 3D workspace using the inbuilt tool. So all of these spot elevations that falls outside of the perimeter can now be deleted. All right, you cannot delete all that and continue your topographic mapping. Okay, so if you find this video helpful and informative, do well to hit on the subscribe icon, as well as turn on your notification on this channel to keep getting valuable tutorials ready. Do well to check under the description to see the other editing that can be done within the AutoCAD Civil 3D workspace for topographic mapping. Thank you. See you in the next video.